If you've used EasyMorph for even a modest amount of time, you've likely come across EasyMorph Dataset files, binary data files saved with the .dset extension. Let's take a quick look at what they are and how they differ from your average data file format. At first glance, most people assume EasyMorph dataset files aren't much different to a CSV, Apache Parquet, or other similar data file format, storing a single table of data. Whilst they do contain tabular data, dataset files can also contain much more. Besides tabular data, a dataset file also contains a view, which we usually call the analysis view, containing filters and visualizations of the data. So where does this view come from? It depends on how the dataset file is created. Any filters, charts, or cross-table visualizations created within the analysis view of EasyMorph Desktop will automatically be embedded within any filtered or full dataset file exported from within the analysis view. Charts and filters will also be automatically embedded within datasets exported using the export dataset action within the table's action chain. In this case, the embedded analysis view comes from the table that contains the export action. This ability to blend tabular data with one or more simple data visualizations means dataset files can provide more insights into the data than other common data file formats. Because dataset files can be referenced as assets in the EasyMorph server catalog, they can provide a powerful mechanism to give non-technical users from across the business access to the data they need in a governed and centralized manner. Dataset files can also be shared with and opened by non-EasyMorph users using the free tool CSViewer created by the makers of EasyMorph and available to download free from CSViewer.com. When a dataset is opened in EasyMorph or CSViewer, the tabular data is imported together with the analysis view embedded in the DSET file. This means EasyMorph dataset files can be a great way to share data outside of your organization, such as with customers or partners, including charts and filters, to allow them to better understand the data as well as filter and explore it as they need. Try using dataset files in your EasyMorph solutions today. If you have any questions, why not head over to the EasyMorph community and one of our team or helpful community members will be happy to help.